Today we made $215 day trading. What's going on? This is day 54 of Road Freedom. Today we did a little trade, but the market opened and we ended up winning the trade. I made $215. And yeah, let's get into the trade recap and what I did. So if we look at the chart right here, we look at the 1 minute time frame. We started off here and we did this big, huge, move up during the London session, and then coming into coming into New York session. We had this because we had news that came out at 8:30, so price pumped up. And honestly, I was looking to go bearish on the day, and I was kind of correct by saying that. I mean, we had this big fair value gap to fill, and I really doubted that we were going to go any higher. Like, we had these highs here to take out, but realistically, you know, we're not going to be getting an all-time high on the S&P today, so I wasn't really thinking of going bullish for today. So I marked out this, I think it was a 15-minute fair value gap we had here. Yeah, we had a 15-minute fair value gap. I marked that out, and I was basically trying to see whether price to move up and down. So I was kind of waiting for price to sort of dip into it. I ended up taking the trade before we actually went into this fair value gap, but I took it off. What do we have here? So we had for 5 minutes, we obviously had 5-minute manipulation. We then got a 5-minute fair value gap formed. We ended up inversing that, and then I basically waited for this break of structure to come down here, and that's how I entered my trade. And then I put my stop loss up at this high right here, and we just looked to take out risk reward ratio of 2, and as soon as I saw this candle starting to go into this fair value gap, I knew, you know, it was going to be a secure trade. And yeah, we just smashed through that. We inversed the fair value gap, and we just continued going down. We took out all of these lows right here. We even went and taken out some of these, and yeah, that's how I did my trade today. So this is my account metrics. So I mean, on Tuesday we did that big trade. We lost 45, we lost 118, and then say we made 215, so that puts us up a total profit of $643 on this account. We would, in theory, pass this account, and yeah, this is a $10,000 account. And like I said in the previous day's video, next week I will be buying a prop firm challenge, my first ever one. So we're gonna lock in with that and see if we can make some moolah. Tomorrow I'm working, so there will be no trading until tomorrow, and also Friday I'm not working, but we have CPI coming out on Friday, so I'll have to see whether I would like to trade. Probably not. We'll see. Maybe I'll risk 0.5% or 1%, like I did today, and we can see what we'll do. But that's everything today, so peace out.